Hello students, welcome to the next lecture of Emerging Domain in Electronics Engineering. In this lecture, we will discuss the common mode rejection ratio of op-amp and we will also discuss some numericals on it, which are very important from exams point of view. In the previous lecture, we have discussed the differential and common mode operation of op-amp and we saw and we observed, or we can say that we had an inference that op-amp has the ability or tendency to reject the common signals and it amplifies the different signals or the signals which are opposite in polarity. So this ability of op-amp, that is to reject the common signals, is being measured by a parameter called CMRR. CMRR stands for common mode rejection ratio. So what is CMRR? Common mode rejection ratio. Common mode rejection ratio. And it is usually called as CMRR only. So what is CMRR? It simply indicates the ability of an op-amp to reject the common mode signals. So it simply indicates the ability of an op-amp to reject the common mode signals. Now it is given by the formula CMRR is equals to simply differential gain and common mode gain. I'll share the link of the previous lecture in the description box. So you will be able to understand clearly that what is AD and what is AC. We have already discussed that AD is differential gain and AC was associated with common mode gain. So CMRR is the ability of an op-amp to reject the common signals. So higher the CMRR, better is your op-amp. So AD upon AC. So it is sometimes also calculated in decibels, that is dB, decibels. So in that particular case, you have to simply 20 log base 10 and the formula AD upon AC. You have to simply multiply the general formula AD upon AC by 20 log base 10. You have to take the logarithmic value of AD upon AC. Now, the important formulas which are associated with the numericals which will be based on CMRR will be, let us recall, VID, that is the differential input was given by V1 minus V2. Common mode input was given by VIC, that is V1 plus V2 by 2. The differential gain was given by, it is denoted as differential gain. And if you are said that what is the total output, it is, and AC is the common mode gain. Let me write it first. And if you are asked that what is the total voltage, then you should always say it is the differential output and common mode output. So output is the gain multiplied by the input. So if you are talking about differential output, that is differential output plus common mode output. So VOD is differential output and VOC is common mode output. Okay, so what is VOD? VOD is AD into VID and VOC is AC into VIC. Okay, so if we write V0, it will be AD into VID plus AC into VIC. It will be like this. So always remember this formula, and if you are asked to simply calculate, you must know how to calculate the differential output individually and the common mode input individually. You must understand everything. Now let us write a numerical on it. Determine the output voltage of an op-amp. Determine V0 for Vi1, that means through the first input voltage is given as 200 volt, second input voltage is given as 140 volt and the differential gain is given as 6000 and CMRR you have to calculate, and the CMRR that is given to you is first part 200, that is for the first case the CMRR is 200, and for the second case it is 10 raised to the power 5. Now you have to calculate the V naught for both the cases. So let us calculate V naught for the first case where CMRR is 200. Now let us write the formula of CMRR. It is simply AD upon AC. And remember that the CMRR is not given in decibels, so you have to write only this formula. So it is 200 and the AD is 6000, and AC you can calculate from here. AC is 6000 divided by 200, that is equals to 30. Now you have got AC and you have AD. When you have CMRR, that means you are asked to calculate the output voltage, then always apply the full formula, that is ADVD plus ACVC. So V naught is equal to AD VID plus AC VIC. You have AD and AC now. VID and VIC can be easily calculated if you have both the inputs. So you have 200 minus 140 equals to 60 volt, and VIC is equals to 200 plus 140 divided by 2, that is equal to 170 volt. Now as you can see, when you have calculated AC is very less, so always this part is going to be very less. That is why in the general formula which we talked about in the first lecture of op-amp, we only talked about V naught equals to AD into VID, that is AD into V1 minus V2. So V naught is equal to AD is 6000 into 60 plus AC is 30 into VIC, that is 170, and hereby you are getting 365100 volt. So V naught is this. Similarly, now if we calculate it for the second part, CMRR is 10 raised to the power 5. Simply put the formula, 10 raised to the power 5 equals to AD upon AC. AD is 6000. AC will be something different for this value. So AC will be 0.06. Simply put the formula of V naught and calculate the answer, ADVD plus ACVC or VIC. Then you will get the answer as this. Just calculate and verify your answers. You will feel much more confident. So this is how we solve the numericals on CMRR. Let us solve one more numerical of CMRR in which the CMRR is given in decibels. So let us solve it. The inputs which are given for the op-amp are, it is given as V1 is 745 microvolt and V2 is given as 740 microvolt. Gain of the op-amp in differential mode, that is AD, is equals to 5 into 10 raised to the power 5, and CMRR is given as 80 decibels. Again you are asked to calculate V naught. So I hope everybody can solve it in decibels, or you can write down the formula in decibels first. CMRR in decibels is equals to 20 log base 10 AD upon AC. Is it correct? Now what you have to do? You have to write 80, that is in decibels itself, 20 log base 10, and what is AD? 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 upon AC. Now if you want to calculate AC from here, you need to remove this log. So first of all I will bring it 20 here, so it will be 40 log base 10, 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 upon AC. Log base 10 means if you want to remove this log, then raise this left hand side to the power of 10. I'm sorry, it was going to be 4. So because 80 divided by 20, it will be 4. So it will be 10 raised to the power 4 equals to 5 into 10 raised to the power 5 upon AC, and I hope now you can easily calculate. Now AC will come out to be 50. So you are done here. So you have AC, you have AD. Now you can simply calculate V naught by simply applying the formula V naught equals to ADVD plus ACVC. So you have both everything with you. Simply you have to calculate VD, that is V1 minus V2, VC at V1 plus V2 by 2. Just calculate it on your own and verify the answer as 2.53 volt. So all of you can verify the answers from here. You will feel more confident. You have the values, you just have to put them into the formula at correct place. So hope so that you have understood the CMRR concept, and you also must have understood the numericals on CMRR. I'll share the links of the previous 2 op-amp lectures in the description box. Kindly watch them if you haven't and understand what is operational amplifier. Thank you, students.